Hello everybody, this is Derek Ludomin here again, and today I'll be showing you the simple homosexual second order differential equation. Okay, let us get into question 1 and then we do question 2 and then finally we can do question 3. Okay, let's start with the question 1. Okay, so here we let us write down the characteristic equation for this differential equation. This will come out to r squared minus 5 or plus 6 is equal to 0. Now let us factor out and make better equation. This will get r minus 2 times r minus 3 and that is equal to 0. Here we have two real roots and they are r1 is equal to 2, r2 is equal to 3. Now because we have two real roots, we can write down our general solution y of x in the form of c1 e to the power of r1 x plus c2 e to the r2x. Okay, now let us plug in value. So now we have c1 e to the 2x plus c2 e to the 3x. Okay, very nice, very nice. Now let's move on to question number 2. Now let's do the same thing and write down the characteristic equation. That would be r squared minus 6r plus 9 equals to 0. And now if we factor, we will get r minus 3 times r minus 3 and that is equal to 0. And now here we have only one real root and that is r equals 3. Okay. Now because we have only one real root, we can put in our general solution and that is in the form y of x is equal to c1 e to the rx plus c2 e to the rx. That would give us c1 e to the rx plus c2. Oh, sorry, I did not write the number. c1 e to the 3x plus c2. Oh, sorry, I messed up again. This is c2x e to the rx. So then now we go back down. We get c2 xe to the 3x. Okay, that is case number 2. And now if we move on to case number 3, here we have this equation where we write down the characteristic equation again, which would be r squared plus 8r plus 25. Okay, now moving on, we cannot factor, so we shall solve with a quadratic equation. Okay, let us write r is equal to negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac. Okay, and that is all over 2a. And now you already know this a, b and a c. Okay, here we have negative 8 plus minus square root 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times c 25. Okay, and that is all over 2 times 1. Here we have negative 8 plus minus 64 minus 1 08. Okay, and that is all over 2. And now we solve negative 8 plus minus Oops, sorry. If we do the square root of 64 minus 108, we get negative number, and that negative number will be 6. But we put I because negative. Okay, negative number all over 2. Okay, and then now if we simplify more, here we have negative 4 plus minus 6i. So that makes, okay, I'm sorry, I make mistake. This is the negative 4 plus minus 3i, not 6i. Okay, moving on. R1 is equal to negative 4 plus 3i. R2 equal to negative 4 minus 3i. And general solution going to be in the form y of x is equal to e alpha x times c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Okay, and we know that alpha, this number going to be alpha, this number going to be beta. Okay, now you write down e to the negative 4x times c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. And then that is how you solve the 3 different cases of the simple homosexual second order differential equation. Thank you. I am Derek Littleman. I hope to see you next time. Okay. Oops, butterfly. Sorry. Bye bye.